Hi, I'm Anna Santos, and I'm the 2018 Easter Seals Ambassador.
I'm here at Steel Honda reporting on this year's Luxury Cabin Lottery Early Bird Prize,
A Honda Ridgeline all-wheel drive truck Sport Edition.
If you get your ticket before June 7th, you get the chance to win this beautiful truck. It's very exciting. All proceeds are in support of Easter Seals Newfoundland and Labrador, so every ticket counts. I'd like to thank Steel Honda for coming on as this year's Early Bird Prize sponsor. Remember, time is running out. Get your tickets today!